Hello everyone, welcome to the channel again. Today I am going to show you how to use your Samsung tablet as your next second phone. Basically this is a Samsung tablet with cellular function. As you can see, I've got an SD card slot there, micro SD, and I've got a SIM card slot in there. It takes a nano SIM card, goes in there. All you have to do is click on it to get it out. There you go, comes out easily. And same again, you need to click it again to get it in, making sure that the back panel of the tablet is the side where the chip side of the SIM card goes in. So that's the normal side, that's the chip side, goes facing back side of the tablet. Click in to the tablet, you should hear a click to confirm that it's gone in. There you go, it's in place now. Cover the device and it says SIM card added, restart your device to access the mobile network. So all you have to do is press on restart, device restarting itself. Basically I've forwarded this video so that you don't have to wait ages to see this complete. It's restarting now. Should ask for a passcode. Put in a passcode and just wait for it to load up, and it shouldn't take long. Well, as you can see on this side here now, let me just zoom it in slightly more. It has got cellular data as well as cellular network. So first, second, third, fourth icon next to 74%, and now you can start receiving calls or receiving text. For that purpose, because I'm using my phone as the recording media, I'm going to use a record screen button on the tablet to record what happens on the tablet when I make calls from my phone. So the next video that would be coming from the tablet itself when I make calls from my phone. So I'm going to disconnect my phone quickly. My phone, at the same time I'm also going to record my tablet to show how it works as well. So this number, I'm calling from my phone, and the tablet is picking up the number now, and you can just slide in to take the number. Hello, extra volume. Yeah, hello, hello. Yeah, as you can see, it's just making the call. And you can send text as well. Hi, just big hi. So yeah, the messages just come in. These are the previous messages I've been sending, so it's just the network being slow, it's just pushing the message, and eventually this message should come through. I'm just fast forwarding this whole clip so that you don't have to wait until it pops down. So after that it eventually comes down. As you can see there, hi has now popped in. It was taking a while to send the other two messages, but yeah, hi has set down. This is how you basically send and receive messages on. There you go, guys. This is how you can make your tablet your second phone in case you don't want to use your primary number to be displayed everywhere. This is what I'm doing as well. All you have to do is either you can use this method, use a tablet as your second phone, or you can also buy something that has got a SIM card in any other tablets, or alternatively you can buy a phone that has got a dual SIM card function and use it as your secondary phone as well at the same time. However, to reduce the hassle, I always use my iPhone as my first phone, and then this tablet will act as my second phone and eliminate all the problem of like distributing my primary number to everyone. Hopefully this video was helpful to everyone. Please subscribe and leave a comment below, and it will encourage me to make more videos in future. Take care, guys. Ciao. Bye bye.